Gutters are an essential part of your home, designed to prevent serious and costly water-related damages. When your gutters clog with leaves, pine needles, and other debris, this can prevent your system's ability to effectively channel water away from the foundation of your home. Clogged gutters can cause serious and costly home damage. Fortunately, Leaf Filter provides a permanent solution to clogged gutters. Our product is scientifically designed to keep everything out of your gutters, except for water. The secret is in Leaf Filter's patented 3-piece solution, a micro-mesh filter that will never rust or corrode and will keep out the smallest of debris, even shingle grit. A durable UPVC frame that handles the most extreme temperatures. Strong reinforced internal hangers to secure your entire gutter system. Leave your gutters to our experts. Our professionally trained installers will make sure they are sealed, pitched properly, and in optimal shape prior to installing Leaf Filter to your new or existing gutters. Backed by a lifetime transferable warranty, you'll enjoy the peace of mind that Leaf Filter lasts forever. Protect your gutters and entire home with Leaf Filter Gutter Protection. Contact us today for your free no-obligation estimate.